Hello and welcome back to Michael's Test Kitchen RV Edition. Today we are going to be making Chick-Fil-A sandwiches with Raising Cane's sauce. This is for the Instructables Copycat competition. So today we're going to be starting out with Chick-Fil-A sandwiches. Obviously we have the chicken right here. You may need to cut the chicken breast, depending on how large they are, into quarters or halves, and so they look around like this. And here for the marinade we have pickle juice, we have sugar, and we have water. And so we have it in a shallow pan here. You can do it in a large Ziploc bag if you want, but right now I'm just going to be doing it in a pan. So just place the chicken in there, just make sure it coats the chicken, and then this is going to marinate for about 35 minutes. And while that's marinating, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce. So for the Raising Cane's Copycat sauce, we have mayonnaise, ketchup, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper. Just gonna mix it up right here. There you go, that's some Raising Cane's sauce for you. Alright, for the breading, just gonna try gluten-free flour instead of wheat flour for this. Pepper, salt, paprika, and baking powder. So what will happen is, before we put these in the chicken in hot oil, we're going to be putting them in the milk and egg mixture, and then after that we'll be putting it in the flour mixture and coating it up really nice. And then we'll be putting it back into the milk mixture, get a second layer on there, and put it back into the flour mixture. So we have 2 coats, extra thick, and then we'll be frying it in oil. Alright, so now we're going to begin the process right now. Take a chicken, drench it in milk, just like so. Put it in the flour mixture, put it back in the milk, and put it back in the flour. And you have this. Now we're at the frying stage. This is the avocado and coconut oil. They both have a high burning point. You can tell the oil is hot right here, so we can go ahead and place the chicken pieces in. And for this set of chicken, it should take about 5 minutes or so. And then you want to flip them because the oil is pretty shallow in this pan. Alright, now we can go ahead and flip these pieces of chicken. Then you'll want to go ahead and prepare a plate with paper towels on it to soak up the moisture. And when they're done, we can go ahead and move them over to a plate with paper towel. Go on top right there, and then we'll put Raising Cane's sauce, Copycat sauce recipe. It's pretty good. Of course, the pickles, unless you don't like pickles. Then put the last piece on top, and there you have Raising Cane's sauce with Chick-Fil-A sandwich.